Duncan, how are you finding the show today?
I find it really good. The location's excellent. It's in the good part of Aberdeen. It's a nice size for people to come in. It's quite informal, quite intimate, but has a lot of information at the same time. Quite a few copacetic other trades here, ones that relate to what I'm doing. I can ask them advice, they're asking me advice. And so far I find it great.
That's great. So can you tell us a bit more about DWR Architecture?
I'm a chartered architect. I am based in West Aberdeenshire. Cover a large area from Lawrence Kirk right up to Inverurie area and out to Grimar, the occasional projects out in the west coast and highlands of Scotland. I specialise in energy efficient design from new build through to working with existing buildings, predominantly rural.
That's great, and I believe you're doing a seminar tomorrow. So can you go over a few points of what you're going to be speaking about tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going to cover the broad range of what's involved for anybody considering carrying out their own self-build project. That's whether you're looking for a plot to build your own house and have contractors build it for you, or if you are actually looking at working with an existing building, renovating it, adding to it. And I'll be covering a few different topics, one from budgeting to begin with, how much is your site or your building worth, how much can you borrow, or how much money do you have, what's a starting point for costs, what insurances might you need, building warranties for if you're going to sell the property in 10 years' time, the design process and how you work up the cost estimates from a really broad brushstroke right through to more detailed costing, how to get builders, how to get prices, how to monitor the construction work, the quality, the costs and how long it takes, right through to when you're finished and snagging and fault finding before you get the keys.
Well, that sounds very informative. I'm sure that'll go very well. And thank you very much for being here.
You're welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.